welcome back to this week's video. So this week's topic is going to be social media use. I've noticed how bad my social media use has been. It goes up to my overall screen time is up to 16 to 18 hours, and that should already say girl, get off. But mind you, a few of those hours are working through my laptop, but at least 5 of those hours are TikTok or Instagram, and that is a problem in itself. I could be doing so many more things, such as finishing my books, cleaning up, cooking, I don't know, doing hobbies that I actually want to do, stuff like that. So this week I'm gonna start the habit of not using social media. So the first thing I did was delete my apps. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll update you guys on that. But I'm gonna be incorporating reading more, and I need a search of hobbies that I can do instead. I would walk outside more often, but I don't really have a safe environment outside. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, we'll research and I'll let you guys know. Yeah, let's see how this goes, because cutting social media out has been the hardest thing that I ever done. Not ever done. What? It's been the hardest thing to cut out. I've been trying to cut it out for about 6 months now, and I just keep being oh, I can use it for cooking videos. It's just a resource for me, but I keep going back to it. So we're gonna just cut it off for now, fully cut it off, and then once I get through my withdrawals and all that, I will go back into social media and be a little better instead of doom scrolling and brain rotting, But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so game plan today is, what is it? I have a nutritionist appointment at 10:45, and then I'm gonna go straight to my mom's house to pick up the girls for a little park day with our family. I think my uncle and my aunt is coming today, but I'm gonna just sit there and chill out, do some self tanning, just because my sister said I look sick, sickly, because of how light I look right now, but who knows. Guys, should I straighten my hair more often? I'm kind of feeling myself right now. Anyways, I'll show you the fit. This is I look like a boy, but I honestly, it's the park. I didn't want to look too cute, but I hope I can finish Twisted Lies, because I haven't been able to read it this past week. I don't know. I've been in a rut. I think next week's video is gonna have to be a freaking reset, a mental reset or something, because I physically cannot right now. My brain, I don't even know. I need more sunlight. I don't think last week's video was enough. I need more sunlight. So we're gonna go again, and then I don't know what else we have planned. We don't really have anything else planned. We might go to the casino later to meet up with my aunt, my titas. But yeah, I don't know. I've been feeling so bummed out lately. Not really bummed out, I don't know. I feel in a rut. That's the term. I've been feeling I've been in a rut lately. I don't know, it's because I can't get up in the morning to go to the gym, or my body image issues, but I literally have been so I've been sleeping a lot lately. I haven't been reading. I don't know what's happening. It's one of those what am I doing with myself? But yeah, I bought a taser though, so I can feel more comfortable. My excuse for not going to the gym as early as 4 o'clock in the morning, which is the only time I can fit it in, is because my area's not that safe and I'm scared. So I can't make excuses now if I have a freaking taser. So yeah, I guess I'll go to the gym next week. I want to go 5 days a week at least, but I've been having a hard time with my freaking fitness journey, and it's just like my dad called me. He called me fat yesterday. I know it's like out of love and jokes, but damn, I need to get my crap together because my dad would always say, like, I'm not gonna tell you you look fat if you don't look fat, but if you look fat, I'm gonna tell it straight to your face. So yeah, I don't know, I gotta get my crap together. And like my high blood pressure issues, I'm just like, why am I not pushing to lose weight faster? You know, it's just hard. Eating is so hard for me because I just want to eat everything. And it doesn't help that my boyfriend loves to eat unhealthy meals. Not really unhealthy, he just has like a certain palate for food, which is rice and meat. And so we tend to go to places that like rice and meat, and I don't really like, why am I gonna choose a healthy option when I'm eating out, you know? And it costs more. It's yeah, I don't know, I'm going through it. But I will see you guys in a bit when I'm in the waiting room. Maybe, I don't know, you might catch me at the park, we'll see. But I'll see you guys soon. God, we made it to the park like super late. We were supposed to get here like 1 o'clock. We're here at 1:37. We're just waiting for our aunt and uncle to come, but I'm gonna be, oh my god, I didn't even grab my book.
What? Okay, my sister's going to be right back. She's going to the car.
It's a camera, it's not a mic.
I know, I'm talking to it.
You gotta film like that.
Yeah, I know, I just don't do it. Hold up. Can you see?
Come on.
Ha! Baby bird?
I think so. Okay, take it back. Make a film a video.
Huh?
Film a video on it.
Should we go to the place? Like that?
Yeah. We're like, hey.
Kind of.
Hey. little free library, so freaking cute. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I totally forgot to do like an outro video or outro clip where I'm all done up again, so this is what you guys are gonna get this week. Thank you again for watching. I will see y'all next week. Bye.